Good morning, guys. So, welcome to the crazy world of the Pokemons. So, today I'm going to explore the guild. Uh, I know means we already know about guild, that what is guild, what we do in guilds, but there is a lot of some other places also. So today I will explore each and every part of the guild, like our guild farm, guild canteen, guild hot spring. So video will be long. So let's start. Okay. The first one is the Guild Adventure. Click on here and you can see there's two options, Guild Adventure and the Guild Pokemon Adventure Squad. Let's enter in Guild Adventure. You can see there is different places here. We already know about these cities like Pilot Town, Twitter City, Cerulean City. You can open these cities. For now, you can see Fuchsia City is locked and other cities are completed. So look, you can see they are for Fuchsia City. You can see 1 lakh engagement means you will have 1 lakh guild activity, weekly guild activity. You can see activity here in hall. Below the lobby you can see guild weekly activity is 3460 3460. So on the basis of weekly guild activity you can open any city. For now Pewter City is open in my guild. Let's enter here. After entering you can see uh, you will have to select some Pokemons and then click on the view rewards. 15 contribution, second order 25 contribution, and third is reward. Triple reward is for 40 contributions. So to get this reward you have to contribute 40 points. Yeah, 40 points. For now you can check your contribution in contribution ranking. My contribution is 62, so I can get that reward, triple reward. You can increase your contribution by taking risk, means on going on adventure. So you I have a zero chance. You have to click on the to take risk. I don't have enough risk. Yeah, I don't have enough. I already used it. You can click on here and increase your contribution, and then you can get these rewards. Now let's explore the second one. It was Guild Adventure. Now second is Pokemon Adventure Squad. This is something important. Yeah, this is something beneficial for us. Um, I'm already in a mysterious forest. Let's come out from here first. Okay. Oh, what happened? It is a guild. Here you can select any Pokemon. You will have option to select any Pokemon. For between four Pokemons, you have to select any one. For now, I have Mudkip. Mudkip is with me in this adventure for now. By using Mudkip, you have to complete some task. After clicking on mission review, you can see there are three tasks for me. First is pick up 6 silver keys, second is pick up 4 mushroom, third is pick up 5 gold treasure chest. So after completing these three tasks you can get these rewards. You can see their rewards are given. You can These rewards are really important, and you can get black balls also. I hope you know about black balls. You can capture black Pokemons by the help of black balls. So sometimes it also appear here as a reward. So this is something important. Yeah, this is something beneficial. Sorry. Yeah. So I'll have to complete these three tasks. You also have to complete any three tasks. So after completing it, you will get some rewards, and you can. This is something like 6 silver keys. Okay, let's 6 silver is and 4 mushroom. There's nothing here. You can give. And you can see, and there is a dice. You can see here in our left bottom corner there is dice. You have to roll it for movements. After rolling you will get some movements. I have 33 movements right now. After each step one movement will decrease. Let's see, let's collect anything. Like there's a mushroom. You can see, yeah, there's a mushroom. Let's collect it. This is gold. This is gold key. Mushroom. Yeah, collecting mushroom is in my task. You can see I completed one. Now I have to pick three left. So by in this way you can complete your task by movement, by going from here and there and collect these materials, and then you can get some rewards. Okay, this is something important. Yeah, it will be beneficial for us. It is beneficial. Second is guild canteen. You can see, before entering the guild canteen you have to go to kitchen and buy some food ingredients. Okay, so after that come here and add some ingredients. Look, here is option add ingredient, click on here and you can, I have a lot of materials here. You have to select any 30 materials. There's last potato 24, let's select it, and yellow bean 23. Maximum you can add 30 ingredients. Okay, let's click on the okay. Now those 30 ingredients are cooking, and after 7 days, means next Sunday, you will get different type of rewards, and those rewards are very important, valuable. Means yeah, this is very valuable. You have to try this even once. Just try it. Go in the kitchen, go in guild canteen and add 30 ingredients and get rewards up in next Sunday. Okay, so next is Dogs Guard. I hope you know about Dogs Guard. You can challenge these Pokemons here. uh, Next is Guild Wars. I hope you know about Guild Wars. Means wars between guilds. Yeah. Next is Hall. You can see your number of members here, how many members are there, and about guild. Okay, the next is guild farm. Yeah, guild farm is also important. This is important, like in to get some rewards you can buy something valuable also here. You will have to buy seeds. You can buy seeds from this lady, a wholesaler. You can see wholesaler, click on here her and buy some materials. I bought all of these. So I bought seeds, and now you can plant your seeds here. Click on the plant and click on the what is that area, whatever it is. You can see you can water them. Irrigation, this process will be irrigation. So water them, and after some time it will be, you can harvest them, and after harvesting you will get crops, foods also, foods, and you can collect your foods from this uncle. This is manager. You can see basket. You can see harvest basket. I have harvested these materials. Let's collect them. And the important thing is, after collecting those harvested crops, click on the wholesaler again. This is well wholesaler and prop exchange. You can see there is two seats. Prop exchange, you can see here there is something important. This is something valuable. You can see variable shard. You can buy variable shard here also. You have total 8 exchange times. You can buy 8 items here. I have crop, I have turnip, I have 551 turnip, and for one shard you will have to consume 100 turnip. Let's try it once. Exchange here. Yeah, I got it. So this is something important, because we know variable shards are really important. You can get evolutionary stone also, a shiny Pokemon shard. So that's why guild farm is something important. Okay, the next is training. You can train other Pokemon, other like this is gamer. Let's train it's Slakoth, Talos, Zekrom. Yeah, you can accelerate any Pokemons. Okay, in training, train. Yeah, the next is institute. Institute, you can donate your gold or diamonds to for upgradation. It will upgrade your guild and increase your level of guild. Okay, let's donate something. Okay, now the next is guild hot spring. Click on the new guild hot spring. This is also something important. This is also something valuable. Okay, here is option. There's a egg which is bouncing here. Boom, boom, boom. To collect this egg, click on the collect egg, and you will have to complete this number of tasks, like guild farm consume 50 points, guild expedition, take part in guild adventure, guild take part in guild research lab, donation, you have to donate something, guild training, you have to train someone. So after completing this all task, you can collect here, like click on here. I'm not going to collect it. I'll other options also. Take part in guild, take part in guild legendary Pokemon Guardian. So I have to challenge one Kaizen Pokemon, then engagement have to 800 and take part in guild war. So after completing these three left, I will here collect the egg, click on the collect, okay, and after this you will, after 1 day, means after 24 hour, the egg will be snatched. Not 24 hour, after next day. Yeah, after next day you can get this egg, and the egg will have any Pokemon. You can see, click on the hot spring egg index, you can see number of Pokemons here. I have collected these Pokemons, and there is a lot of eggs which are left still now. So I will do something, means I will collect eggs. And the importance of this doing this is, click on the collect reward. You can see here collect reward. After I have collected 10 species, and then I got these rewards. I have collected this. After 30 species collection, you can get these rewards. After 50 species, you can get this corresponding. You can see this is something important. Pokemon statue is important for upgradation. Spallation essence is also important. So I have collected 50 species till now. Some are also left. So this is important. This is good for upgradation of our Pokemon. So you can snatch some eggs and get rewards, get Pokemons and get rewards. Okay. So this was our guild hot spring. The next is MIT Square. This is the last one. MIT Square. Let's click on here. This is also important. It has also something important. Let's see. Mhm. Okay. So these are some food spots. You can say food spots. Four Pokemons are eating something here. Let's go to them and click on this button. You can see after clicking, these four Pokemons are eating right now, and these are some effects. You can see effect here. The Togepi. This is Togepi. This is Togepi, and its effect is Safari Zone energy cost from encountering reduced by 2 points. The second is Torchic. You can see its effect. Points acquired from winning battle increase by 20%. 300 points in it can be added every day. The side effect is energy cost from resort exploration reduced by 5 points. These are something effect which will affect your exploration in other options, like the first is for Safari Zone, the second is for battle, the third is resort exploration. There's another side up which effect is energy added from each purchase of Pikachu energy will increase by 10 points. Yeah, this is something important effects, and every time the effect will change. The effect will change by corresponding Pokemons, so you can feed them. I hope you are feeding, and if you're not feeding, then do something. Yeah, feed some Pokemon, add some ingredients, and feed them. Now, another important thing is you can explore here. As you can see, I have chosen this lady as a avatar for now, just for now. You can see, yeah. I hope you know this Pokemon. This is Team Rocket Pokemon. I forgot coughing. Yeah, is coughing. You have to challenge one of them, and after challenging, they are really powerful. I think, yeah, they are really powerful. So let's challenge them. You can see their HP is 46490, but our Groudon will beat them. Yeah, it's attacking. You can see Groudon attack is really good, and now it's finished. Yeah, after beating them, you can get some rewards. This is Comet Shard. I got this. So in this way, you can explore. You can explore other places also. Let's explore another. I know where are they. There's some, yeah. This is Meowth. Meowth, another Team Rocket Pokemon. Let's challenge them also. Challenge him. After beating him, you will get some rewards. And I already told you about effect of the feeding Pokemons. So you can feed some Pokemons and get some rewards. Get some effect. Sorry, the effect will be anything, and that effect will be beneficial for us. So this was our guild. This was our guild, and I hope this will help you. I hope so. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to end this video. 15 minutes is so long, I think. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.